government. Jeremy Corbyn, afterwards, in another story over Syria, declines to say if he'll give Labour MPs a free vote.
Is your position untenable, Mr Corbyn?
Good morning. I would say to members of Parliament, whatever party, is look at the arguments, listen to the arguments that have been put forward before thinking about how to vote on this issue.
Russia announces economic sanctions against Turkey after it shot down a Russian warplane. Turkey's president expresses regret over the incident. President Obama calls for greater gun control after 3 people are killed in a shooting at a family planning clinic in the US. Also in the next hour, has Queen Nefertiti's final resting place been discovered? Archaeologists say they're 90% sure that there's a hidden chamber inside the tomb of Tutankhamun. And does rugby have a hidden drugs problem? Week in, week out investigates in half an hour here on BBC News. Good evening and welcome to BBC News. The Government Minister Grant Shapps has resigned over claims he failed to act against alleged bullying within the Conservative Party. Mr Shapps is said to have ignored warnings while party chairman about the head of the youth wing, Mark Clark, who was expelled earlier this month after the apparent suicide of a young activist. Mr Clark denies any wrongdoing. In his resignation letter to the Prime Minister, Grant Shapps said, although he had no record of allegations reaching his office, the buck should stop with me. Here's our political correspondent, Carol Walker.
As Conservative Party chairman, Grant Shapps